I just got this box in from Funko, and I figured I'd take the time to open it up before I record because it was kind of a pain. So I guess there's 3 in there and then 2 in this one. Let me try and take them out real quick. Alright, yeah, it was a little easier. Man, I can't do anything with this setup of one hand. Now these are all the same, so it's nothing really too interesting, but let me pull one out for you. And they're just the new Baby Rocket Funko Pops, and they are the flocked ones specifically, which are a little bit more desirable from what I've seen. And it's crazy that people are already managing to resell these for like over 40 on eBay. I paid 15 a piece, and since I spent over 50, I got free shipping, and I got all 5 of them, like I said, are the same. So I don't know if it's a good investment or not, or at least a good purchase for the short term. Don't get me wrong, I don't really believe that Funko Pops 10, 20 years from now are going to be like really valuable unless maybe you have like a super rare one or something that makes it more desirable. But like these ones, for example, that are mass produced, I really don't see being like really expensive in the future, especially once the hype of the movie dies down. But maybe in the short term, they could be worth reselling. I don't really know, but it is pretty cool to have 5 of them, and I'll take them all out real quick for you guys. So here they all are. Definitely nothing too special, but I also don't really ever buy Funko Pops or anything, so I'm not too familiar with the market. So I really don't know if it even is a worthwhile purchase or not. Any of you guys who are into these can definitely let me know in the comments, and I really appreciate everybody who's been checking out the videos recently, because YouTube's been giving me a bit of a boost in the algorithm, I guess, for being such a new channel. But yeah, that's about it.